Today we have a video for you to teach you about good lifting for those of you who do a lot of DIY and other activities around the house. We've noticed a lot of people this week have had issues with back pain from doing heavy lifting. Lifting heavy objects from the ground is one of the more challenging things to do. So what we've done is we've created a short video to explain about some of the basics of good lifting heavy objects from the ground, and also giving you a couple examples of points where lifting is not quite as good as well. So hope you enjoy your short video and enjoy your weekend and work around the house. So when we're lifting objects from the ground, it's really important we lift correctly. Often we see patients, particularly this week, we've seen a few patients who have hurt themselves from lifting objects, often if they're lifting objects low. A couple of key points is when you're lifting objects low from the ground, is to have a nice wide stance. If you have a nice wide stance, it makes you way more stable. So if the weight shifts at all, that you can use your leg muscles, which are much bigger than your back muscles, to help to stabilize yourself. When you're lifting, to go into a nice deep squat position, so wait for those heels, try and keep that straight lower back. Draw your belly button into your spine to stabilize your spine. Also, when you're lifting, if you can keep the load close to your body, it's actually much better than having the load away from your body. It reduces force on your lumbar spine, and that's a nice healthy lift from the ground to waist height. Now we're demonstrating another lift, which is we're using a lot of lumbar flexion. Now it's not that bending forward is inherently bad, but if you are bending forward lifting a heavy object, it can put more pressure on your lower spine. So here we see if you're lifting and you're bending forward a lot, also if your feet are closer together, there's much more load on your spine. And it's saying if you're lifting something super light, you could get away with that, and if you have a good strong core, you could probably get away with that. But if you're a little bit weaker and what you're lifting is heavier, much more force on your spine. So better to that nice deep squat, wide squat, low close to your body, using your big leg muscles to help you to lift rather than the small, tiny back muscles. Enjoy your lifting. Enjoy your DIY this weekend.